In primetime news this evening, political copycat clash. JLP rubbishes PNP's claim, arguing it's the PNP that's stealing its ideas.
Dr. Christopher Tufton stands firm despite repeated calls to retract and apologize for fake audio.
And Kingston Mayor asks EOJ to halt Seavright Gardens by-election. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, Sagicor Group Jamaica's net profit is up and it's more than doubled. I'll tell you all about that later in the business day.
And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jerry?
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, the Caribbean Premier League, the CPL, is off and on the way in St. Kitts. We'll give you an update on the opening match. And jockeys at Cayman Park are up in arms about the treatment of one of their own. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Did you experience rain today?
No, it was dry and hot.
Oh, yeah.
It was hot. It was
I think
way
it
too
rained
hot.
earlier. But, I mean, Romaine, can you give us a preview of the weather report and forecast?
Thanks, Janelle. Yes, we did have some rainfall across sections of the corporate area earlier this afternoon. We also had some heavy showers and thunderstorms affect sections of western parishes. A tropical wave is in the general area and it moves across us tomorrow, so we still are expecting some more of those isolated showers and thunderstorms.
I believe it when I see it on a map. You have to turn up for the weather report and forecast to see that map. There's also sports commentary at E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And Archie, this evening we are asking, what has been your experience shopping for back-to-school items?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.